Bonjour les amis, today I'm going to teach you how to cut a chicken in 8 pieces. But first, I'm Olivier, professional chef in France and UK, and my channel is here to help you to build confidence about cooking. I'm doing recipe step by step for you to help you to cook for your family and friends. So what do you need for cutting a chicken in 8? A chicken, sharp knife, a board, and don't forget, as usual, put your board under the kitchen towel because like that it's not slippery. We are going to cut the legs, the breast, and the wings. To do that, you take your knife and you're going to cut following this line there. So take your knife, come on this side, following the line, break a little bit, and you have your first legs. Doing the same on the other side. Follow the bones, and you have your second leg. For the wing, you're going to follow this line there. This is where you're going to find these little cartilage bones here. Turn like that, see, it's here. You turn it, and you follow in till this bone is some kind of V here. Turn this way. You follow in like that, carry on to following, there is another bone there. Voilà. See, all the bone. You follow in with your knife the bone. When you arrive to the articulations, you just need to find, and it's done. So you have 4 pieces with this one. Exactly the same. Always following the bone. After it's easy to do like that. There is this one there. See, this one. Following, you cap in. We don't need that. And after, you follow in on this side here. And voilà, we have 4 pieces. So now to make it in 8, you cap in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one is just at the middle here. You need to find the intersection between these 2 bones. It's here. And the same on this side. There you go. And you have your 8 pieces. You can remove. No. You have your 8 pieces of your chicken ready to cook for your recipe. It's easy. And we're going to use all the bone to create chicken stock. Why you buy it? When you have the bone there already.